Winning is our OT business model. I would like to share with you about our business model. Per box is 150 ringgit. This will contain 15 small tea bags. Today we have a promotion. Buy 5 boxes and get 5 boxes for free. And each boxes in this promotion time is 100 ringgit, which means 5 boxes is 500 ringgit, or in China, renminbi is 800 ringgit. And also, at this period, we also give away 6 small tea bags for free. Pay for postage ringgit Malaysia, 18 ringgit in West Malaysia, and 30 ringgit in East Malaysia. We will send this 6 tea bag, small tea bag to try. 1 person give away to 10 persons. 10 person give away free to another 10 person, become 100 person. 100 person give to another 10 persons each, then they were accounted for 1,000 person. 1,000 person give away to another 10 person, accounted for 10,000 person. 10,000 person, everyone give away free this tea to another 10 person, encounter for 100,000 person. And this is how it accumulate. Give the rebate as incentive given for our agents or our business partner. This is a rebate. It's not a commission like we paying 18 ringgit or 30 ringgit. We will negotiate further with the courier company that we entitled for some rebate from the courier company. That this is the money we're going to give away as an incentive. That is called cashback from the courier company. We rebate 1 ringgit per set as a free OT as an incentive. Each person entitled profit of 10 cents. How we accumulate 10 cents, I will show you this as a charge. Company rebate, let's say from a courier company, 1 ringgit as a cashback incentive. Let's say 1 person, we give away free 10 to 10 person. Then each person, we give away 1 set 60 bag entitled for 10 cents. Say about 10 person, we encounter for 1 ringgit as an incentive. Let's say we're going to have our group. They say if this free tea bag we deliver to up to 1 million person, then you will entitle for 100,000 as an incentive to your customer in worldwide. How do we get started to this business? First, immediately find your own introducer. Then you get your personal QR code. Okay, we're going to have a software for the QR code and make a name list. Let's say you're going to name a name list and find 10 person. Then you give away this OT. At this moment of time, we don't think about how to do the business first because we're going to give away to get people try about our OT. Then the 3 one is apply to become an agent and choose to start up package. And then later we're going to guide our agent how to start up this business. And 4, in other matter, then contact our introducer. If you still don't understand, you may learn from live forecasting on Zoom meeting like what we are having now. Why we give away free OT, our target is to attract people to try out our OT, attract our follower group, attract friends, attract family members to use our OT for their health purpose. And also, we go for the strange market. Now we have China and India market, we also targeted. And also we go for global market. And our OT is exclusive because this product is from our company and we cannot find elsewhere. That's why exclusive market. Why we give away free OT? How do I get to start? Now, all new thing needs someone to start up and start. Okay, our OT it seems to be new, so that how we're going to start up? First, give away to your 10 favorite family members Second, tell your best friend around you. Third, understand the entire plan of giveaway free OT operation mode. Four, send out information of giveaway OT to the circle of your friend groups. Five, invite friends into the live broadcast room. Six, learn how you place an order successfully. This is how to start up in this business. So summary, how we give away free OT. First, scan QR code, build customer group. Second, consumer fill up detail in the system. Third, pay postage fee RN 18 ringgit and 30 ringgit for East Malaysia. Fourth, free 60-day OT will be arrived 7 to 14 days. Fifth, enjoy deferral fee of ringgit 10 cents. It deliver free OT package. And also we build lifetime consumer. Let's say with 10 person, we introduce to another 10 person and so on. So you will build up your group of consumer. Choose a startup package. Just now we have mentioned, yeah, the free package just now. But if the customer want to buy from us, so we can do the business. This is so-called startup package. So apply to become an agent. First, we become VIP agent. Buy up 5 key boxes, give free of boxes. OT only 500 ringgit. Apply to become an instant consultant or instant advisor. Buy 1 carton. 1 carton it consists of 30 boxes, give free 1 voucher. We're entitled for 1 free voucher for 3 days, 2 nights. Put aromatherapy treatment worth 2,500 ringgit.